What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back, and today we're going to be installing an aftermarket grill on this F-150 behind me. We are going to make this truck look like this. Let's get to it. Alright, so here is the unboxed grill. It is in actually two pieces. It's a really nice gloss black. I really like this. But it is in two pieces. The center bar with the emblem you have to attach, and the rest of it's just honeycomb. So actually you got kind of two options with this grill. It could be just the honeycomb, or you find the middle and put that thing on. My one concern here is this is a new design grill, aftermarket grill. So the LEDs are different, and I cannot find replacements yet for these. So hopefully it's just a matter of a company starting to, just sell these, because the pigtails are different as well. Here's the wiring kit it came with. So your connectors are different from the grill that I use. And this is the hardware it come with. And this is how you actually get on the bar onto the grill. You take this little, well, let me flip it over, I'll show you. Alright, I got it flipped over, and here, down here you can see, there it is. That's the little mount for that accepts the screw. So you take this guy here, and it's got notches, top and bottom. That just fits right here in the honeycomb. And then you put the screw right through, and then it'll attach the bar to the honeycomb. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now all the tabs are in place, done. So it's holding this baby on. See what it looks like. There it is. I gotta say, this is a sharp grill. I am actually a little bit jealous, but I mean, I like mine, but this is gloss. I love this gloss black, actually. Probably should have paid a little extra and got mine glass instead of matte. But here, the stock emblem Ford oval goes in there. I would definitely buy something black emblem to put in this if this were mine. Alright, so the first thing on this grill we're going to do is we're going to remove all the push tabs, take the dust shield off. 10 millimeters right here. 4 of them right across the top. Alright, make sure you unplug the louvers for the grill. 2 plugs right there. Next, the trim ring for the headlights. You just got to pop it off a little bit on this side. There's a bolt on each side behind here. This one I already got popped back. You can see the bolt right there. Alright, each side on the dust shield. Push tab here, push tab there. One more tab here on the wire loom, and this thing's ready to come out.
There it is, the old thing.
Good narrating, Bo.
Daddy, okay,
all right.
$70 just from dollar bills.
So in the back here, you got 4 you got 4 nuts right here, 1 in each corner. Just slide them off, and that stock grill will come out. I lied. You got 3 little junky tabs up here. I just break them off because you're not going to reuse them. 1, 2, 3. And I lied again. There's one more 8 millimeter right in the center behind the oval. Now, the louvers will come right off the old grill, just like that. Alright, so if you're using a grill like this and you need to reuse your Ford oval, this is how you do it. This one here, 3 little nuts on the back, 10 millimeter. Just like that. You got these 3 junky little nuts right on the back. Time to put it in the new one. Alright, easy peasy. Same way it came out. Lay it in there. Attach the nuts in the back. Alright, so I thought I was making forward progress by putting this bar here on the grill first, but I had to take it back off to attach the Ford emblem. So now I'll put it back on. So you got your 4 studs in the corners. So you want to lay your louvers just like that. Washer and a nut on each one. Alright, louvers are on the grill. The grill is all set. Next, wiring harness. Alright, so next is the wiring harness, and this is an XLT. It doesn't have the LED headlights. Makes it really nice because you've got a parking lamp right here in the corner. All we got to do is splice into this. Alright, I got them spliced in here to this parking lamp, and I'm going to set the grill in here now. Connect the pigtails, just make sure everything works. There it is, lights work. Time to put it in. There it is. That looks sweet. Definitely digging that grill. Gloss black.
Thank you.
Yeah, that looks nice. Alright guys, that was the install on this aftermarket grill. A lot of the grills are pretty much, the same exact way, including the Raptor grill that I got on my truck. So this will definitely help you out. If you got the non-LED headlights, it's going to work way easier because you can grab that parking lamp right on the corner. You don't have to take the whole headlight out like I had to mine. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we'll check you all later.